Bajaj was started on 29 November 1945 as Bajraj Trading Corporation Private Limited. Initially, the company imported three-wheelers and two-wheelers from France and sold in the Indian markets. In the year 1960, Bajaj launched the Vespa 150 under the license agreement with Piaggio. It was a two-stroke 150cc scooter and it prospered for around a decade. In the year 1965, Mr. Rahul Bajaj became the chairman of the Bajaj Group. In the year 1971, the company launched their three-wheeler goods carrier called the Bajaj Minidor. In the year 1972, Bajaj launched their ever-famous scooter, Bajaj Chetak. It was loved by everyone as it was reliable, inexpensive, affordable and low maintenance. Bajaj Chetak created a feeling of love and trust for the brand Bajaj in the hearts of its customers. Bajaj Chetak was a huge success and soon Bajaj became the king of the scooter industry of the country. In the year 1977, Bajaj launched the Bajaj Super. It was a 150cc two-stroke scooter. It was considered a status icon by the families who owned it. In the same year, Bajaj made a new license agreement with Maharashtra Scooter and under the license launched Bajaj Priya, which was a three-geared scooter and was considered easier to use. In all these years, Bajaj became the first choice of the scooter customers. It was the most trusted and the largest selling scooter brand of the country. Bajaj was in the hearts of its customers. It had their love and trust. They felt proud on owning a Bajaj scooter. Bajaj had now become the beloved Hamara Bajaj.
की बुलंद तस्वीर हमारा बजाज बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर हमारा बजाज
Bajaj kept innovating and experimenting with new launches as per the new opportunities and the blooming new customer needs. In the same year, Bajaj launched a rear-engine auto rickshaw. In the year 1981, Bajaj launched the M50, also known as the Bajaj Sunny. After 5 years, Bajaj launched the upgraded version of M50 called the M80. It soon became a flagship product. Bajaj was also consistently growing on its exports and soon became one of the biggest exporter of three-wheelers globally. Times were changing. India was moving towards the policy of liberalization, privatization and globalization. Big companies were entering India with their advanced technologies and higher capitals, offering better global standard products. The automobile industry was moving towards motorcycles. The scooter industry saw a steep decline in sales as scooters were unable to compete with the motorcycles in terms of performance and fuel efficiency. Bajaj was now no more the king of the two-wheeler industry. In the year 1986, Bajaj partnered with Kawasaki and produced the Bajaj KB100 and the Bajaj KB125. But their sales were negligible as compared to the biggest player Hero Honda, which sold 11 million units of the Hero Honda Splendor. In the year 1990, Mr. Rajiv Bajaj joined the company. Bajaj was totally uprooted from the two-wheeler industry. It tried making a comeback with new motorcycle launches, but received only a negligible success. Although the three-wheeler segment prospered locally as well as globally. Bajaj was determined to make a strong comeback. It focused on the research and development extensively. In a couple of years, Bajaj did make a comeback stronger than ever before and changed the motorcycle industry of India forever. Bajaj entered in a segment which was, till now, untouched. It launched the Pulsar 150. The bike was more powerful, had a bigger engine capacity and was much sportier.
Let's see this. Go for it. Pick it up. It's a boy! It's a boy! It's a boy! It's a boy!
cc, 15 bhp, solid muscular styling. Bajaj Pulsar, definitely male.
The Bajaj Pulsar 150 achieved huge success. Pulsar was able to establish itself as a completely different brand from its competitors. Later, Bajaj launched the Kawasaki Bajaj Eliminator, followed by the launch of Bajaj's proprietary DTSI engine, which was launched with the Bajaj Pulsar 180 DTSI. It also won the Two-Wheeler of the Year award from BBC. The company focused heavily on the R&D department and kept making various launches throughout the years. Bajaj kept receiving various awards and recognitions. Today, Bajaj is huge. It owns a 49.97% stake in KTM. It also has a partnership with Triumph Motorcycles UK and is all set to offer a much wider range of motorcycles.
दुनिया के 70 से ज्यादा देशों में करोड़ों लोग हमारे बढ़ते परिवार का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं। तभी तो हम हैं द वर्ल्ड्स फेवरेट इंडियन।